Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use chat on ClickUp, a powerful productivity platform that allows you to seamlessly communicate with your team. To get started with using the chat feature in ClickUp, the first thing you need to do is head over to the ClickUp app. This is your centralized workspace, where you can manage tasks, projects, and of course, communicate with your team effortlessly. Once you're in ClickUp, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll see a series of icons that act as a gateway to the various features ClickUp offers. You'll need to click on the More button, which typically looks like 3 dots or a similar icon, to reveal additional options. This step is crucial, as it expands the menu, giving you access to many more tools and features that might initially be hidden. After you've clicked on More, you want to locate and select the Chat option. The chat function is a collaborative tool designed to facilitate communication between you and your team members, helping to keep all discussions organized and easily accessible. Once you select chat, you're essentially opening up the lines of communication right within your existing workflow. It's a fantastic way to handle ongoing conversations without having to switch between multiple platforms. Now that you're in the chat section, it's time to choose the person you'd like to communicate with. Click on the individual's name to initiate a chat. This method mirrors other familiar messaging interfaces, making it a breeze, especially if you're accustomed to using instant messaging apps. When you click on the teammate's name, you'll open a chat window where previous conversations can be viewed, helping you keep track of your interactions. Next, you want to type your message in the text box provided. Here, you have the freedom to draft your thoughts, whether it's a quick question, sharing a new idea, or giving feedback on a project. As you type your message, you'll notice the streamlined interface lets you focus entirely on your conversation without unnecessary distractions. You can use keyboard shortcuts to speed up your communication. For example, pressing Enter sends your message instantly, while Shift plus Enter creates a new line without sending. These small shortcuts can save you a lot of time when you're having multiple conversations. Another advanced tip: you can also share files, images, or links directly in the chat window. This makes collaboration much easier, since you don't have to switch to another platform for file sharing. Additionally, you can use @mentions to tag team members, which sends them a notification and ensures they see your message promptly. Finally, when you're satisfied with your message, go ahead and click the send arrow. This icon is typically located next to the message input field. Clicking this arrow sends your message instantly to the intended recipient. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain communication efficiency within your team. And there you have it. You've successfully used the chat feature in ClickUp. By following these straightforward steps, you can enhance your communication within the app, making your collaboration efforts more effective and streamlined.
Chatting in ClickUp keeps your team synced up and projects on track, all from a single, easy-to-navigate platform. If you're working with multiple teams or projects, consider creating dedicated chat channels for different topics. This keeps conversations organized, prevents important messages from getting lost, and helps your team stay focused.